welcome to second episode of Passport to Pakistan. I'm Huzaifa bin Azim and this is my awesome co-host Ibrahim bin Azim. We are going to an exciting journey to Punjab, the land of history, culture and innovation.
Walaikum Assalam, and we are joined by a very special guest, Afaf Fatima. Afaf, welcome to the podcast.
Thank you. I'm so excited to learn more about Punjab, especially cities like Lahore, Sialkot, and Gujranwala.
Let's get started. Huzaifa, what is the first things comes in your mind when you think of Punjab?
I think of hospitality, delicious biryani, and the majestic. I think of hospitality, delicious biryani, and the majestic Lahore Fort. Afaf, you mentioned three important cities of Punjab: Lahore, Sialkot, and Gujranwala. Have you visited any of these cities before?
Yes, I live in Lahore, and it's so lively and colorful. I remember when I visited the Badshahi Mosque. It's absolutely stunning.
That's wonderful. Lahore, Sialkot, and Gujranwala, cities with so much to offer. Did you know Lahore is called often the heart of Pakistan and the city of garden? Today we'll dive into what makes these cities so special.
And didn't you know Sialkot is famous for its sports goods? We'll learn about that and much more about these cities. Geography, history, culture, and challenges. Let's start with geography. Afaf, do you know where Lahore, Sialkot, and Gujranwala are located on the map of Pakistan?
Yes, and I would love to tell you.
Let's find them on this map. See, Lahore is near the Ravi River.
And Sialkot is close to the Chenab River.
And Gujranwala is located between the two.
Ibrahim, can you guess why rivers are so important for cities?
Maybe because they provide water and help the farming with farming.
Exactly. Rivers like the Chenab and Ravi have been essential for trade, farming, and cultural growth. For example, Lahore's location near the Ravi helped it become a major cultural and political center during the Mughal era.
Similarly, Sialkot grew near the Chenab River, boosting its trade and industry. Did you know that rivers have also played a vital role in Asian civilization, like the Indus Valley civilization, which flourished along the Indus River?
Wow, that's amazing. So river acts like highways for all cities.
Exactly. They were vital for transportation and trade. By the way, did you know Lahore is about 40 kilometers away from the Indian border? Its strategic location has made it important throughout history.
That is why many monuments built by some Mughal era empires are in both India and in Lahore, such as the Taj Mahal, built by Shah Jahan, and the Lahore Fort in Lahore, built by Akbar and finished by Aurangzeb.
Now let's step back in a time and explore the rich history of these cities. Ibrahim, do you know anything about Lahore's history?
I know it's really old and it has many Mughal era buildings like the Badshahi Mosque and the Lahore Fort.
That's correct. Lahore was the Mughal capital for a time. The Badshahi Masjid, built by Emperor Aurangzeb, is one of the largest mosques in the world. And Lahore Fort, it's a masterpiece of Mughal architecture.
Lahore isn't just about Mughal history. It's also about where Pakistan resolution was passed in 1940. Laid the foundation of Pakistan's creation, it's truly a city of historical importance.
That if the Lahore Resolution didn't pass, Pakistan would have never been an independent country.
Let's move to Sialkot. Afaf, do you know any famous people from this city?
Yes, I know. Allama Iqbal, the poet of East, was born there. He's one of my most favorite poets.
Absolutely. Allama Iqbal inspired the idea of Pakistan. And his birthplace, Iqbal Manzil, is now a museum. Sialkot is one of the oldest city of this subcontinent, with history going back to the Alexander period.
And what about Gujranwala? It's famous for its wrestling tradition and it's called the city of wrestler. Afaf, do you know any famous wrestler from there?
Yes, I know. One of the most famous wrestlers from Gujranwala is Inam Butt. He is not professional, but he has won international accolades.
And historically, Gujranwala was the birthplace of Maharaja Ranjit Singh, the founder of the Sikh Empire.
Gujranwala played an important role during the Sikh Empire, and its vibrant culture and history continues to thrive today. Let's talk about the cultural richness of these cities. Lahore is known for its festivals, food, and landmarks like the beautiful Shalimar Gardens. Ibrahim, what is your favorite thing about Lahore?
The food I love to eat, tikka and the biryani.
And don't forget about Food Street near the Lahore Fort. It's a paradise for food lovers and it's a must visit for anybody who comes to Lahore.
Absolutely. Lahore is a foodish paradise. From Nihari to Haldapuri, it has something for everyone. Speaking of culture, Lahore hosts annual events like Rain Festival, Summer Festival, and Flower Festival is like the Racecourse Park item.
Let's talk about Sialkot. It's famous for sports goods, including cricket bats and FIFA footballs. Did you know Sialkot made footballs was used in the FIFA World Cup?
Oh yes, Huzaifa and I visit football factory in Sialkot few days ago with homeschooler. That was so amazing.
They were so generous, mashallah. They gifted all homeschoolers each a football. Chalcot entrepreneur spirit makes it one of the wealthiest cities of Pakistan. The one city contributes the whole global market.
And Gujranwala, it's very famous for its barbecue, and many people from all around Pakistan just come here to Gujranwala to eat this. And it has a rich culinary heritage. Ibrahim, have you ever tried Gujranwala's barbecue?
I don't remember, but my mom said we go and eat butter over there.
These cities showcase a perfect blend of history, culture, and modern industry.
Now, let us discuss something very important. These cities are growing very rapidly, but with growth comes challenges like pollution and overcrowding. Ibrahim, what do you think is more important? Preserving old buildings or building modern cities?
I think we should try both. We can preserve old buildings and creating modern cities.
That's great point. This approach is called smart city planning. For example, we can protect landmarks like the Lahore Fort while building green spaces and different transportation systems.
Projects like the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor CPAC are helping cities like Gujranwala and Sialkot grow economically. But we must also address issues like so much pollution and a big loss of greenery.
Maybe planting more trees in city could help in pollution with pollution.
That's an excellent idea. Balancing development with sustainability is key to ensuring a better future. Before we wrap up, let's share some fun facts. I'll start. Did you know Lahore has 13 historical gates? The most famous gate is Delhi Gate, which was the main entrance of this city.
That is so cool. Did you know Sialkot is the only city in Pakistan with a privately owned international airport?
That's right. And here's one about Gujranwala. It's called the capital of barbecue of Pakistan because its food so amazing.
And did you know that the Badshahi Mosque in Lahore can hold up to approximately 1 lakh people at once? And also, did you know that the footballs which are made in Sialkot, which are also used in the FIFA World Cup, are hand woven?
These cities are truly incredible with their rich history and vibrant culture and innovative traditions. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Punjab.
Trivia time! Let's see how much we learned today about Punjab in Punjabi. From Adil So, बादशाही मस्जिद कितने बनाई है?
औरंगजेब ने औरंगजेब आलमगीर ने बनाई है
अफाफ भला सियालकोट क्यों मशहूर सी
खेलां दा सवान ते फुटबॉल ते कमाल
मैं सुना है एप्पल वाला तो शहर भी है कोई
ओ हाँ, गुजरात के पहलवान बड़े ही मशहूर हैं।
और मेरा आखिरी सवाल है, अल्लामा इकबाल द अबाई घर का नाम की है?
उन्हें कहते हैं इकबाल मंजिल। वो इकबाल मंजिल कहलाता है।
Today we explore the vibrant cities of Punjab, Lahore, Sialkot and Gujranwala. From history to food, these cities truly represent the spirit of Pakistan.
In the next episode, we'll continue our journey to Punjab, visiting more important cities like Faisalabad and Multan. Stay tuned.
What is your favorite city in Punjab? Write to us in the comments below.
You can draw your favorite historical place in Punjab. Share with us.
Until next time, keep exploring and learning. Allah Hafiz.